Hello guys, today we are doing burpees. I am showing you how to do burpees step by step. Guys, burpee is whole body weight exercise. So it is very effective exercise. It is very good for strength and stamina. And it is one of the most effective exercise for weight loss. So guys, let's start. First of all, stand in this firm position, your comfortable position, and put your hands up while you jump like this. Jump like this in first step. And when you jump down, be in this position. I'll show you. This position, guys. I'll show you from this side. This position. I'll jump up this position. And now from this position, jump back. And while you are in this position, make sure that your leg, your back, and your neck should be in straight line. And now push up position, up, and again jump back or come back like this. And from this position, direct again, next jump. Guys, this is the process how you do the burpees. Now I'll show you the full process in one go. Guys, it's very effective exercise. It's very brutal exercise. Initially you can do 5 or 10. After that you can increase it day by day, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and get notified for the next videos.